Hi everyone, welcome back to the Rec Trends channel. With the brand new GranTurismo, which made its premiere earlier this week, Maserati is back in the GT game. The Italian brand's first ever production electric vehicle is among the roster, and it seems that the open-top Grand Tour will also be made using the EV formula. Massimo Capaldi, the head of worldwide products at Maserati, provided the information in a recent interview with Autocar. Capaldi essentially confirmed the battery-powered version of the convertible Grand Tour would be available and that it will provide something quite unique in the market in the form of a zero-emissions motor coupled with 4 seats and, presumably, a fabric top. The executive sees the Bentley Continental GT convertible as a direct competitor in terms of pricing, which is projected to start at more over £200,000 or around $230,000 at the current exchange rates for the Maserati GT. There isn't much more known at the present, but it's definitely a reasonable assumption that the GranCabrio will share the GranTurismo's hardware. This indicates that a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged engine with 489 horsepower, 365 kilowatts, and 442 pound-feet, 600 newton-meters of torque in the Medina trim would power the combustion variant. The top-of-the-line Trofeo has 550 horsepower, 410 kilowatts, and 479 lb-ft of torque, 650 newton-meters. These are unquestionably respectable figures, but the GranCabrio would stand out from the competition if it had an electric version. The GranTurismo folgore is the most powerful GranTurismo to date thanks to its dual-motor electric engine, which has a maximum output of 750 horsepower, 560 kilowatts, and 995 lb-ft, 1,350 newton-meters of immediate torque. The hardtop variant can go from a stop to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour in only 2.7 seconds, but we anticipate the convertible to accelerate somewhat more slowly owing to its heavier weight. The resurrected GranCabrio is anticipated to debut in the second part of 2019. It will debut alongside an electric Maserati GranCabrio, giving the Italian manufacturer 3 electric cars to choose from by the end of 2023. Thank you for watching.